Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Dear friends of China from Pakistan and Chinese people, Assalamu alaikum and Ni Hao. I am Manzar Naqvi, Executive Editor of the Financial Daily, Secretary General Karachi Editors Club, and author of three travelogues, one on Turkey, two on China. This is my concluding message after the 100th Messages series on 100th anniversary of the CPC. Taking the opportunity, I congratulate my beloved, amazing and visionary President of China and Secretary General of the Communist Party of China, His Excellency Xi Jinping, and above 95 million CPC members and the whole Chinese nation on 100th anniversary of the CPC and pay tributes to 50 founding members who founded CPC on Friday, July 1st, 1921 at Shanghai. No doubt, President Xi is an exemplary leader not only for China, rather for the whole world. His performance and sincere efforts reflect in the new developed China, which is emerging as next superpower of the world, and he has eradicated poverty completely from China. I have visited China various times during the President Xi Jinping era with the courtesy of China Daily, Embassy of China in Islamabad and Chinese consulate Karachi and witnessed current ongoing developments in China under the current CPC leadership, which needs volumes of series to describe it. Regional countries' leadership also admired President Xi's efforts for regional developments and connectivity through various development projects like Belt and Road and CPAC. The Financial Daily on the 101st founding day on July 1st, 2021, on the occasion of 100th anniversary of the CPC, published six-page supplement. YouTube channel of the Financial Daily also started 100th message series on 100th anniversary of the CPC from July 1st, which is going to end today with my concluding note. I am thankful to all Pakistanis from all walks of life, top-notch personalities from media, armed forces, politics, bureaucracy, education, health, literature, business and finance sector, etc., who participated in this series from all over Pakistan and also from abroad, including USA. It is very difficult to thank everyone by name in this short video, but I am especially thankful to His Excellency Munir Akram, Permanent Representative of Pakistan at the United Nations, New York, USA, who sent us an exclusive message of congratulation for CPC on my request for our newspaper and its YouTube channel. This message of His Excellency Munir Akram was also widely published in print media worldwide. I also wish to thank to one of our Chinese journalist friend, Miss Chu Na Nicole, who honored my request to participate from People's Republic of China in this series, and she sent me a very nice video message from Nanjing, the capital of Jiangsu province of China. I am also pleased to inform you that I have got tremendous response from all over Pakistan when I planned this series. People joyously sent their messages and also came at my office studio for recording their messages for 100 Messages series on 100th CPC anniversary. I received more than 100 messages. It reflects love of Pakistani nation for the Chinese nation and the leadership of China. Inshallah, we will come again soon with a new idea to improve people-to-people contact among the both nations. I regret to those friends whose messages could not be included in this 100 Messages series. I must appreciate the current Chinese envoys in Pakistan who are dedicatedly serving round the clock to improve bilateral cultural, political, and business relations, etc., between the two friendly countries, especially His Excellency Nongrong, Ambassador of China in Pakistan, who met me during his visit to Karachi and emphasizes to improve exports from Pakistan to China and various other business activities among the two countries. I am also thankful to His Excellency Li Piqian, Consul General of China at Karachi, who has always been in contact with everyone. He always replies personally any queries from anyone. During his tenure, performance and activities of Chinese consulate has tremendously improved. At the end, once again, thanks to all viewers, listeners, and apologies to those who have not been accommodated in this series due to excess messages from the planned 100 messages. Long live President Xi, long live CPC and its leadership, long live China, long live Pak China friendship, Pakistan Zindabad. Thank you all. Shishye.